Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. So this is actually going to be my very first unboxing for you guys in 2020, as well as my first unboxing for this particular store. I'm going to be doing an Hermes unboxing for you guys. So I picked this item up about a week ago. I have had it just sitting aside so that I could do an unboxing for you guys. So I did pick it up shortly after Christmas. I was downtown with a couple of friends, so I was able just to sneak in and pick this up. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you guys the item that I picked up, and I got this about a week ago. So I've had it just sitting aside. So as you can see, it's a small little item that I grabbed, and maybe a few of you have already guessed what it might be, especially once I show you the packaging that it's in. So it's in this cute little cylinder packaging, a nice little Hermes brown ribbon on the top. The packaging actually reminds me so much of the newer Louis Vuitton packaging. And pop that open. So the item that I picked up from Hermes is a Twilly. And this Twilly is called, it's part of the Jungle Love Rainbow collection. They have a few different colors within the collection. This one is called the Rose Vif Encre Blanc. And this one is basically, it's basically the more fuchsia combination. There's another fuchsia combination where it has fuchsia and like a blue with it, and this one has the fuchsia and the red. I'll do a close-up for you guys so you can see it. So it's a really cool pattern. This one has, you can see right there, the leopards, and I believe there's like some, I think there's supposed to be some honeybees and butterflies on it as well. I was more drawn to the color combination, not so much the pattern. You can see there's some birds on this side as well. I just thought it was really pretty. I've been admiring them online for a while. I did want to get either a bandeau or a Twilly. I wasn't really impressed with the patterns that Louis Vuitton was offering, and someone suggested that I take a look on Hermes and see what their patterns were and if those ones were more my style, and they definitely were. They have they're definitely more colorful and they're more whimsical, I find, than compared to the Louis Vuitton ones. Another bonus to getting a Twilly versus getting a Louis Vuitton bandeau is the Twillys are actually quite a bit shorter in length. So when you are tying it around, either tying it around the handle of your handbags or making a bow on the front or one of the handles, you won't have as much dangle off of the bow, which I liked. It'll be just a little bit shorter, and I'm planning on putting it on my Speedy, and those handles, there's not a lot for me to wrap it around, so I would have quite a bit hanging down. So yeah, so this one is the Jungle Love Rainbow, and they are made in France. They're 100% silk. So these Twillys are 5 centimeters by 86 centimeters in length. Yeah, so they're basically the same price as the Louis Vuitton bandeaus, but they're quite a bit shorter. So you end up with less at the ends when you do tie. I really like the colorful designs on them. I want to wear it, like I said, on my Speedy, so I think that's going to look really nice on that bag. So yeah, so that is what I recently picked up on my most recent shopping trip downtown. I've been wanting one of these Twillys for quite a while, so I was super excited to finally get one. I probably won't be able to use it for quite some time. It's raining here right now, and I'm definitely not going to be using that in the rain since it is a 100% silk, and I'm not going to be able to get it wet, especially using it on my Speedy because my Speedy is in the monogram. It does have the Vachetta leather, so that as well can't get wet. I am planning on doing my 2020 wish list for you guys, so I'm excited to put that one together for you guys. I do want to do a bag charm video, so let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I have quite a few charms now and different ways of putting them on bags that I want to show you guys, as well as I want to show you how to wrap your Twilly or a bandeau if you guys have any scarves or anything that you add to your bags. I think that would be fun. I have had a couple of comments asking for a more detailed review on my Louis Vuitton favorite, so I am planning on doing that video. Let me know how you guys feel about that. So I do want to take some New Year video requests. What do you guys want to see? Are there any items that you've seen in the last little while that you are interested in? I did do a luxury handbag video, my complete collection. So take a look at that video and then let me know if there's a bag on there that you want to see a more detailed review on. As well as I did my entire Valentino collection, and that was shoes. There's a handbag as well as, well, a small one, like a a pouch as well as a piece of jewelry. So take a look at that video and let me know if there's any videos within there that you want or any items that you guys want more information on, whether it be sizing, styling the item, you name it, I can film it. So I just wanted to take a minute and to show my appreciation for all of you subscribers and anyone who also watches my videos who may not be a subscriber. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching every video, for leaving me your amazing comments. I am so appreciative about how well my channel is doing so far. I just started my channel in November, and I believe it was on Christmas Eve that I got the notification that I had reached 100 subscribers. To me, that blew me away, that there was actually 100 people who had subscribed and who wanted to hear what I had to say. I've wanted to start my channel for quite some time, but honestly, I didn't have a lot of confidence that I was going to be interesting enough for you guys to want to continue watching. I think it was about a week and a half later, you guys, I doubled my subscribers just in that week and a half. Might have been 2 weeks. Now I am well over 200 subscribers, and that just really blew me away. I mean, I was taken aback by 100 subscribers, and now I'm over 200 subscribers. And I just wanted to say thank you, because this would not be happening if it wasn't for you guys. If you guys weren't on the other side watching me, then I probably would not be filming these videos for you guys if no one was wanting to watch me. So thank you so much. You guys, this honestly means the world to me. Like I said, I didn't have a lot of confidence that people were going to be interested in what I had to say. So I'm very, very appreciative. And yeah, I'm hoping that my channel keeps growing. Obviously, I would love to have more subscribers. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please take a second and consider subscribing below. It helps my channel out so much. If you are new here, I do a lot of similar videos to this, a lot of luxury content, definitely a lot of unboxings. My videos are primarily about fashion and beauty and lifestyle, so if those interest you, then this is definitely the channel for you. So take a second and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys soon. Bye.